Sun's up bright. Yeah. Come on. My birds are hovering around. Looking at these two birds, I don't know what they're doing, flirting or whatever. See him? He's trying to make that his baby mama. Oh yeah, let's go in here for the kill. Let's go in here for the kill. Yes, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. No, come back. Come here, girl. You're gonna be my next baby mama. Happy Mother's Day, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to film my seagulls walking on my shelf, right, first thing in the morning. Hopefully, with any luck, we might be able to catch the church bells ringing as well. I was told that they might try to take my phone, so if you see my phone go up into the sky, hopefully I'll be able to retrieve it from somewhere, wherever it is, but let's have it a go. Wish me luck.